heating, cooling, and domestic hot water in one system. Excellent thermodynamic performance. Electric auxiliary heating. All-in-one design and easy installation. KAWM 5.1. Save up to 80% energy. Excellent thermodynamic performance. Electric auxiliary heating. Maximum heating reaches 75 C. Monitors the operating temperature through multi-touch sensors. And performs smart defrost on demand to prevent invalid operation. There are more options to choose from.